Hello and welcome to James's Premiere for Beginners tutorial. In this video we'll simply be looking at creating a new project and importing some footage. Okay, so when we first open Premiere you'll be asked to start a new project. Mine actually asks if I also want to open an existing one, but I'm just going to go and select new project. If you've opened Premiere for the first time it'll just ask you to create a new project. Okay, so after you've clicked that will then open a new window. So, and this basically allows us to name the project. So I'm just going to call mine Practice. I shouldn't really need to alter anything else. So once we've named it, all we have to do is just click OK. So now we have our workspace. Now the workspace is essentially composed of an arrangement of different windows. And we can actually change the position of these windows to a different default setting by pressing one of the default settings that are located at the top of the screen. I actually prefer editing, just because it just keeps everything together quite nicely, so let's just keep it on this editing workspace. So with our workspace open, we need to import some footage. Now with everything I explain in Premiere, there's always more than one way to do it, and importing video is no different. So I find the best way to do it is by opening the folder where our footage is located, selecting it, and dragging it into this window here. Now you could just select File, Import and import it that way. It's just simply a case of preference. So, with our footage imported into Premiere now, we can now organise it a little bit. We can choose whether to see our footage in a list view or a thumbnail view by selecting this button here. I personally prefer the list view, just simply because I can see more files in just one window. Now this button here allows us to create folders to organise our footage into. In Premiere, we call these folders bins. And that's really it for importing. See the next tutorial to see the next step.